Hi. Myself Subham. Here I am going to show you last 6 trading session history for trading. Using Nifty index. Using 3 minutes chart for 20 points minimum profit points. Let's see how we can manage to get minimum points through CCI divergence tricks. Always our target is to find the 2 major hooks above the CCI 0 line and below the 0 line. And we'll compare with the price or candle patterns. Let's start. CCI downtrend. Price also downtrend. CCI downtrend. Price positive trend. Now find the middle hook for finding the trade point. This is called CCI negative divergence. Line drawn and execution point was at 17909 area. Low made 17836. Again remembering our target is 20 points, that means it's all target hit. Next CCI positive trend. Price also same trend. Next CCI downtrend. Price also downtrend. Next one CCI downtrend. Price also downtrend. Next one CCI positive trend. Price also same trend. Next one CCI negative trend. Price also same trend. Next one CCI positive trend. Price also same trend. Next one CCI positive trend. Price negative trend. But middle hook is not extreme and not able to kiss our line as per logic. So, avoid. Next one CCI negative trend. Price positive trend. But middle hook is not perfect, the CCI showing most noise. So, it will be risky. Sell sign at 17767 and low made 17737 area means 20 points above. Next one CCI positive trend. Price also same trend. Next one CCI positive trend. Price negative trend. This is good sign, but middle hook is crossed the above 0 little bit, so the trade will be risky. Buy sign at 17776 and high approximate 17810. Next one CCI negative trend. Price positive trend but also risky because of noise CCI pattern and unclear CCI middle hook. Sell sign at 17821 and low made 17788. Next one CCI positive trend. Price also same trend. Next one CCI negative trend. Price also same trend. Next one CCI positive trend. Price positive trend. 3 CCI middle hook also a horizontal line, so it's good sign for strong reverse trending. Buy sign at 17718 and high made approximate 17791 area. Next one CCI negative trend. Price positive trend. So sell sign at 17785 area and low made 17761 area. Next, there are no double hook pattern above the zero line or below the zero line. Next one CCI positive trend. Price negative trend. After drawn the middle line through middle hook, the buy sign at 17851 and high approximate 17922 area. Next one CCI positive trend. Price also same trend. Next one CCI positive trend. Price negative trend with 2 horizontal line breakout. Good for long and a strong sign. Buy at 17885 area and high made 17937 area and running still. So, we can take in 8 trades, probably including the risky trade. If 20 points you take the profits, then calculate the profit amount. Four trades are risky. So we can calculate the 4 trades with 20 points. 2 trades with horizontal breakout means a strong move, that means we can take 40 points from these 2 trades. Enjoy the profit, and you can also trade the same on option market accordingly, the same trend within the money option category. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned.